Perched on a rocky ridge overlooking the Vienna woods in Lower Austria, Liechtenstein Castle stands as one of the most important medieval castles in Austria. From this hilltop fortress began the story of one of Europe's oldest noble families, the House of Liechtenstein. The castle was originally constructed in the 12th century by House of Liechtenstein. Its name comes from the pale limestone cliffs beneath the fortress, Liechtenstein meaning bright stone. From this strategic location, the castle controlled important trade routes passing through the forests south of Vienna. During the Middle Ages, the fortress served as the ancestral seat of the Liechtenstein family. Over time, the dynasty expanded its influence across Central Europe, eventually becoming one of the most powerful noble houses within the Holy Roman Empire. However, the castle did not escape the turbulence of European wars. In 1529, during the Siege of Vienna, Ottoman forces heavily damaged the fortress. Later conflicts in the 17th century left it further deteriorated, and for a time the castle fell into ruin. In the 19th century, members of the Liechtenstein family restored the castle in a romantic medieval style, inspired by the growing fascination with Europe's medieval heritage. The reconstruction preserved its dramatic hilltop silhouette while adapting parts of the structure for historical display and tourism. Today, Castle Liechtenstein remains a symbol of the dynasty that later gave its name to the modern nation of Liechtenstein. Standing above the forests of Lower Austria, the fortress continues to connect visitors with the origins of a royal family whose legacy still survives in one of Europe's smallest sovereign states.